In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Chrome browser is automatic closing in Windows 11. If Chrome keeps closing by itself on your Windows 11 PC, the most common culprits are problematic extensions, corrupted browsing data, or an outdated browser. We'll walk through a clean, safe process to rule those out and get Chrome stable again. Follow along exactly, and take a moment to save any work before you clear data later in the video. Start by opening Google Chrome. Once it's up, look to the top right corner and click the three vertical dots. This opens Chrome's main menu, where we can access the tools we need to troubleshoot. From that menu, choose Extensions, then click Manage Extensions. This opens a page showing everything installed in your browser. Extensions are small add-ons that can enhance your browsing, but a buggy or outdated one can crash Chrome. Here, remove all the extensions you see. Click the Remove button on each extension and confirm. Don't worry, you can always reinstall the ones you actually need later from the Chrome Web Store. The goal right now is to eliminate any unstable add-on that might be causing Chrome to close unexpectedly. After removing them, give Chrome a quick test. If it stays open, you've likely found the issue. If Chrome still closes, continue with the next set of steps. Open the three-dot menu again and go to Settings. In the left sidebar, select Privacy and Security. Now click Clear Browsing Data. This helps fix crashes caused by corrupted cache or cookies. In the Clear Browsing Data window, make sure you're comfortable with what you're deleting. Cached images and files, as well as cookies and other site data, are safe to remove and can often resolve stability problems. If you want the most thorough cleanup, set the time range to all time. Be aware that clearing cookies can sign you out of sites, so be ready to log back in afterward. When you're ready, click Delete Data and let Chrome finish. Finally, make sure Chrome itself is updated. Updates often include stability fixes that directly address crash issues. Open the three dots again, go to Help, then About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates and install them. If it updates, relaunch the browser when prompted. At this point, Chrome should run without closing automatically. If it's stable, you can reinstall only the extensions you truly need, one at a time, to avoid bringing back a bad one. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get Chrome working smoothly on Windows 11.